Assalamu alaikum dear students, hope you are hale and hearty. Welcome to NIEPS Homeschool. This is Fatema Sabrin, Shikha, Assistant Teacher of English, National Ideal English Version School, Morning Shift. Today I am going to take English first paper class for the students of class 6 on the topic Lesson 1, and today it will be reading done. I am repeating, today our topic is English first paper and the topic is Lesson 1. It will be reading done, and this is lecture number 1 and today's homework number will be 1. So students, please take your English first paper book, English for today, and open page 1. Today we will learn from lesson 1. So let's start. Today's topic is lesson 1 and the title is Going to a New School. The title is Going to a New School. Students, go to next page, that means page number 2. What can you see here? You can see some information are given and the gaps are also given. You have to provide your information. Number 1, my name is, and you can see gaps. So here you have to provide yourself, your information. You will provide your name. My name is, suppose here I will write my name, Fatema Sabrin Shikha. You will write down your name. I am dash years old. I have dash eyes, dash hair, and I am dash tall. I'm good at dash and dash. My hobbies are dash and dash. I like to dash and dash. So you will provide your information. How old are you? What's the color of your eyes, your hair, how long or tall you were. You will provide your information. What is your hobbies? What do you like and what don't you like? You will write down in this information. Now come to number B. Read the following pieces about Tarun's first day in the new school. Dear students, you can see a picture of the school. Now let's read the text. My first day at the new school was interesting. I was going to school with my father in a rickshaw. We reached school after 15 minutes. My father said goodbye and left me at the school gate. I went in and found that everyone had gone to class. I walked into my classroom and found a seat. After some time, a teacher came and warmly greeted us. I found the students very friendly in my classroom, in new class. So students, look, it was about Tarun and it was his first day. It was so interesting. As he said, he was going to school with his father in a rickshaw. I hope you have some memory about your first day at school. So you will read the text and you will gather your memories. And here, look, after some time, a teacher came and warmly greeted us. It means the teacher who came to Tarun, he welcomed him. Students, now come to page number 3. Here you can see match a word from column A with a word or words from column B that has or have similar meaning. So what can you see in the box? Here you can find column A and column B. There's some words such as interesting, frightened, happy, excited, warmly. And in column B we can see lovingly, amusing, afraid, glad, thrilled. What you have to do? You have to match these words with column A and column B. And students, today I will not do this for you because it will be your homework. Look, number A1 and B2, these two will be your homework. You will read the text, you will provide your information in A1, and in B2 you will match the column. So look students, I have provided your homework. Topic is A1 and B2 from lesson 1 and the submission date is 22nd January 2022. And students, don't forget to write the submission date and SW at the top of the corner of your copy, and our homework number is 1. That's all for today, students. Hope you have understood today's topic. Keep practicing at home and abide by your parents. Stay well and see you again. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum.